Alright, I don't know if I've got some debris in the fuel line, or I mean, I run for a little while. I think I need to double check the timing. So what happened is this trigger here was bent and it wasn't actually contacting and sparking every time, so I had to get the lower leaf of the trigger raised up so it was going to actually hit, and I think that changed the timing a little bit. I mean, it obviously changed the timing a little bit, so I need to check and see what the actual spark is here. Alright. Yeah. My timing got really advanced when I had to get that to touch more reliably. So I've got to do some finer adjustment on the ignition timing here, but for now, let's see if we can run it a little bit faster. Alright, I'm gonna have to check the ignition timing, I think, again, more carefully. We're still at 5 degrees, top dead center. Did I follow the plug? These little plugs, sometimes they just get in a mood and they follow a lot. There was carbon on it. Maybe that's why we're having some issues. I'm going to have to take some time to go through and fine-tune this, but the B02 still was a fantastic little runner, and all the issues came about because I forgot to drain the fuel the other day, and I was careless about that, so I'm not worried about it. I should be able to get it back in order. It did run pretty well at a bit higher speed, so I'm sure I can get it slowed down again.